don't you just love my new camera? So
What are you doing?
ever since I got this new camera, I'm so popular. Everybody loves me.
You're not supposed to be popular. You're only 14 years old. That's it. No more camera.
No.
Yeah, we'll see you later. Sorry.
No, I'm sorry.
You. No, you're totally not cool anymore.
Sarah. I thought my mother smashed it last night.
I put it back together for you.
Oh, thank you. You shouldn't have. You're so sweet. What? She got your camera back? I know.
Yeah, bye. I forgot my roll.
Oh my god, guys, ever since I got this new camera, everybody loves me now!
You're supposed to. No. She's supposed to say, I thought my mother smashed it last night. And I was supposed to be like, man, I wish I was that cool. I wonder if I can get a camera like that. What?
You can buy this product anywhere at a Walmart, Best Buy, Amazon, or any other store around the country.
Really? Let's go!
I'm sorry, I thought I was done. So.
Yeah, I know, I did too, but it would look better if you pushed me out.
Kid, where's the cat? Where's the cat?